Hello YouTube, it's me, the Mokisa 11. I'm showing you another install of my lock extensions. My client ordered a combination of extra small locks and small locks for this installation. We used 33 in size small, which is 0.5 to 0.6 centimeters thick, and 108 extra small, which is 0.3 to 0.4 centimeters thick. We used the small towards the back where her hair was thicker. This is just showing when I was almost halfway done. I do a brick layer pattern. I make sure all the locks overlap so it is more of a full installation so you don't see so many spaces. As you can see, her hair was like medium length. I was able to use her length to add to the total length of the extension, so they're on her back even though they're 6 inches long. It's very lightweight hair. I always, wash and air dry before so that it's soft and you're able to style it pretty much from the same day of the install. I always maintain the roots with interlocking for my installations unless clients ask for it to be more natural where it's not maintained, or palm roll. This is when I was at the very top, almost finished, and it was a 2-day installation. I typically do 2 days for lock counts over 90 or 100. I am looking into hiring an assistant so the installs could be much shorter, but this is how long it took for this installation. It was 2 days. So this is the last lock, and this is the finished result. So she ended up having a total of 141 locks. She had 33 in size small, 108 in extra small. The total length is 6 inches long, and she's ready to start her journey. And I love the final look. She was very pleased with it, and I'm happy that I was able to do this for her. So if you would like to have this service, you can please check below this video in the description box directly below, and you'll find my information for my website. There you will find prices and services, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a fabulous week, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.